Hey Kate.
Wanna play Bed Wars if you're not doing anything?
I'm kind of busy with my other friends.
Alright, sorry. I'll talk to you later.
Yeah, okay, bye. I just got off with the most weirdest kid ever.
Ha ha ha. Oh, my little sis is messaging me.
What is she saying?
She was gonna ask the boy she liked out on a date.
Aw, how adorable. Why didn't she ask him out?
He was busy, I guess.
We still need to meet your sister.
You meet her someday. Anyways, I'm going bed early.
Bye.
Okay. Dude, let's play Bed Wars.
Okay.
On Bed Wars.
Dude, I have something to tell you.
What is it?
I kinda like peaches.
And peaches, 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 peaches. Ah! Oh, yeah! Oh!
Dude, you can't be serious right now.
Why not?
Because I like her.
And peaches, 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 peaches.
I guess I'm playing Bed Wars alone.